It's so exciting for us to hear great feedback. We really do take the time to provide everyone with a first-class experience. And it's so rewarding to know that our efforts aren't going unnoticed. But it's even better that we can share it with you right now. When someone is this happy, it usually leads to a repeat visit with us. It's wonderful to receive positive online reviews like this one, and it motivates our team to serve you better. We work very hard to achieve great reviews like this. You shouldn't settle for anything but the best. Give us the chance to earn a 5-star review from you too. Thanks for taking a moment to check us out. You can contact us anytime at the number on your screen. We hope to see you soon.